but I won't wait for you until the day I die. Some folks will tell me I'm all wrong, but I won't listen, well, not for long. My whole life I've planned this trip. To my plan I'm gonna stick. So hit me, you might as well hit me, and move on, berate me until the day you die. But I'm going straight through. I'm not gonna hit you, but I won't wait for you until the day I die.
Dr. Weir's mystery will be continued shortly. Say, by the way, Doctor, is mystery your sole pleasure?
Young man, what could be more pleasant than mystery?
Well, music. I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world.
So hit me, you might as well hit me, and go on, berate me until the day you die. But I'm going straight through. I'm not gonna hit you, but I won't